Affecting tens of millions of Americans that are watching closely as student loan forgiveness is now the center of debate on the Supreme Court. President Biden's plan to cancel debt is really the subject of two different challenges. They're both starting oral arguments this morning. That first, 6 states say they would be harmed financially if the program goes into effect. The second, 2 borrowers right here in Texas don't fully qualify for debt forgiveness under this program. There is a decent amount that's up for grabs here, too. I mean, millions of people could have up to $20,000 wiped away. Critics say the price tag of more than $300 billion is too high. So these are oral arguments. So folks in North Texas who work with borrowers tell us there are some things that you should know.
Just because it's not approved through the Supreme Court, if that's their decision, doesn't mean that this is going away. It just means it needs to be legislated.
Legislated at the state level.
Legislated at the federal and state level.
How and when the justices rule will also determine when payments on federal student loans will continue after that pandemic-related pause that went into place nearly 3 years ago, guys.
Yeah, so people haven't paid for a long time. You may have to start thinking about your budget again. When would folks actually have to start paying?
And that's a great point, Kara, because the Biden administration kind of came out on this issue and they said, listen, there are 60 days after the litigation with the Supreme Court that we'll kind of have this period where you'll finally have to pay after that, or the end of August. So kind of whatever comes first, that's when you might have to resume those payments, guys.